Hi people, welcome. I'm going to be showing you another bot. This is another MT4 bot. We seem to be having a spur of MT4 bots, but don't worry, I will be bringing out some MT5 later on. This is going to be module 56, which is the Aggressive Intelligence Scalper EA. Now you can use this on gold. You can use this on most currencies. Obviously, what you need to do is make sure that you test this first before you actually go ahead and place it on an account, unless you've got one that is drawdown proof, or you've got the ability of rebuilding your account back up if you lose a little bit on it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go over this. Basically what I'm going to be showing you is that the Aggressive Intelligence Scalper EA is an advanced automated trading bot designed for MetaTrader 4. The expert advisor specializes in scalping, focusing on rapid trades in high liquidity conditions with minimal pip targets. Sounds like my trading, right? By leverage intelligent algorithms, it identifies short-term opportunities and executes trades with precision. Okay. Now it's funny that these key elements that are inside this particular bot are very similar winning formulas that I use with inside my Darren's Trading Academy, which is growing me profits every 3 months. So it's interesting to see that, right? Its aggressive trading style is ideal for traders who prefer high activity and fast profit potential while managing risk effectively. This module explores the features, installation process, setup configuration, and tips for optimizing the Aggressive Intelligence Scalper EA to achieve peak performance. Now, I'm not going to go over all this. What I am going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a demo for you of how to set this bot up. I'm also going to be showing you the bot in action. You can't see it in trade, okay, but you can see it in working mode if you like. And then we're going to have a look at the parameters and the set file. Now you'll see that it's interesting that it seems to target Euro USD, GBP USD, and XAU USD for tapping into profits using these actual charts. Okay, and that's with inside a 1 minute window and a 5 minute window. So as this is, it's a very fast scalper. So my suggestion is to use a 5 minute window with GBP USD. And so here we go. You can use XAU USD, and you can obviously use Euro USD. It's up to you what you want to do, really. You just want to make sure that you test it first before you release it to your own live account. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to here. This is just showing you inside my Trading Academy. Well, this is actually a doorstep to my Trading Academy. Okay, this bit here, which you can see, are all members that are inside my Telegram group. Okay, and we're all like-minded individuals where we help each other inside here to do the best what we can to obviously use bots that are going to generate money inside a concept which I show you, which is to use the Darwin X0. Now this isn't all about what my Trading Academy is about. It's about many things. There's going to be lots and lots of other stuff that I'm going to be bringing out, including lots of manual trading techniques and methods which we will learn along the way. Now it's only the fact that I've targeted at the moment getting these bots operational because this is a beta phase. So the idea is that if we've got these bots to play with, you can leave these to make you a profit while you're learning to adapt and change your mindset for when you come into doing your own trading. Now you can see that this one here is Hi People Upload 55 has now been added, which is the Gary AI EA bot. And what we're going to do now is we're going to head over to the bot. Now this one is the Aggressive Intelligence Scalper. Okay, this one here is actually the Gary EA, which I'm testing. Okay, I like to test all these bots before I release them. However, this is an exception, this one, because this is classed as an old bot. What's great about this is it's a sniper EA. Okay, it's an aggressive intelligence scalper. It's very underrated because this has a lot of potential to actually pass prop firms as well. Okay, because it's a precision bot. And what I also like about it is I like the fact that you can change the color. I mean, the color they give you, you know, when you set this up is, I'll show you, is this one here. Very, very bright, right? So that's why I changed it. It was this one. Very, very bright. So you can actually change the background and you can play around with this. Not that that should make any difference with trading. It's just for your own personal needs when you're trading this up. I'm going to show you how you do this. If you go into the little sniper, you see this sniper is already operational. Okay, so we're just going through the properties. This is handy for you to be aware of what you can do. Your lot size, you always want to start at 0.01. Remember, you can always go up to this. Your stop loss points is 200. You could adjust this to 100 if you want to, but it has got a trailing stop. Do you want trailing stop? We're going to put yes. So you just click on this and put yes. You've got the global take profit points, which is at 200. Trend round 20, active trend 20. Trailing stop loss inputs. So there's loads and loads of little stuff that's going on here. Now, what's important is you want to make sure that you add in your password. Okay, now there is a password that's in here. You will actually get a baked copy of this. Okay, so you'll find that when you get the copy, it will be a demo version. When you add the set file, this will convert it from a demo version to a full version. Okay, and then with that set file, all you need to do is adjust and adapt accordingly with your own stuff, and then it will be a fully working module. Okay, it's going to be a fully working bot as well. So you can see that the USD and ZAR rate, okay, which is right here, is 9.3. Do you want event protection? This is when you can actually protect. It puts your news feed on, if you like, and protects you, and you can see event date and time. So you know you can add lots and lots of stuff in here. You've got chart options. You can change the color, candle color. You can change the candle down, the candle up. You can change the background. So if you wanted to do this black, for argument's sake, just all blue, we can just do that. You can change it. You can do lots and lots of great stuff with this. Okay. It's a bit too, I normally like going for this sort of colour. Let's go back here. The cyan colour. Try that. There we go. And that just gives you a little bit of what's going on. Okay. Now you want to set this for a 5-minute window. You also want to make sure that you set the shift end of chart from right border. Okay. This just gives you a little bit of an indication of where it's going. Okay. And you could add, if you wanted to, you can add another indicator on here, which is going to help you. Not that you need to worry, because this bot is just going to be auto trading anyway, so you don't really need to get involved. But you could add a 200 MA and a 50 MA just to see where the market's going. So with the 200 MA, which is 200 moving average, this is going to give you an idea of which trend. And remember, we're only working on a 5-minute window, so it's going to be very hard to find out where the trend is. What you need to do is use a 4-hour or even a daily to see where the momentum is. Okay, not that you really need to know. As I said to you before, this is a perfect cup. You see this? See this here? This is the cup. This is the cup handle. So you can see that there's already, you know, an indication that this is probably going to bounce down here and then up we go. Okay, it's probably going to do that sort of thing. Not that we need to worry about that, because we're not doing manual trading at the moment. We're allowing the Aggressive Intelligence Scalper to actually do its trading itself. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you on that side of it. Okay, so you've seen the perimeters. What you need to do is when you get it, once you load your set file, all you need to do is make sure is that I'm going to go through the whole process. Okay, so don't panic, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So what we're going to do now, okay, is we are going to load the bot onto another chart. Okay, so this is my Darwin X4 number 4. We're going to load it onto number 2. Okay, so we're going to show you now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. I've got lots and lots of bots that are running here at the moment. Okay, the Octatrader, which I'm hoping to release very, very shortly. I'm just doing some testing on it. There's a couple of things which aren't quite running properly, so I've just got to make sure that they're running before I go ahead and release that. Okay, so that's the very reason why at the moment we're in test mode for that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to run over and I'm just going to show you how to set this up. Okay, so basically the first thing you want to do is you know that it's either Euro USD, GBP USD, or it can be XAU USD, okay, which we can trade with this particular bot. So we're going to use Euro USD, okay, and what we do is we hold on to this and we drag across and drop. And then we're going to just neaten it up, go to grid, okay, and then we're going to change this to a 5-minute window. Now this takes between 7 and 8 trades per day, okay, even though it's on a 5-minute window. Okay, remember this is a precision bot, so what it's going to do is it's going to work precisely when it wants to take a trade and when it doesn't. Okay, so this is good in one way because it's a good way of protecting your account, and if we turn out to get some really good results with this, then you know this is going to be a great one just to leave on your MT4 account, and it's going to build up your profits using that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to here and we are going to get the bot, which is this one here. If we go to downloads, Darren we want to go to, and then what you want to do is we're going to scroll through here and we're looking for the bot which I've shown you, okay, which is here somewhere. So if we go back here, see if I can find it. Okay, it's this one here, so we're going to copy this. Okay, so we've got the Sniper EA bot, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and now we're going to install it into a MetaTrader 4 platform. Now it's very straightforward and easy, okay, so there's nothing wrong with, you know, you won't struggle with this. You want to go to File, start again, go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, go to Experts, right mouse click, and you want to paste that in like so. Okay, now this is our Sniper EA EX4. Then what we want to do next is we want to right mouse click, we want to hit refresh, and this is going to allow, okay, the bot to be introduced into here. Okay, now we can see that we are looking for the Sniper bot, so what you do is you scroll through until you see it. There it is, Sniper EA. Hold on to that, drag that across and drop. This is going to allow you to drop the bot in. So the first thing you want to do is go to common. You want to make sure the allow DAO inputs is ticked. Allow input of external experts is ticked, and allow live trading. Anyone head over to input, and what you want to do is you can see that enter the password. What you want to put for this, okay, if you don't want to do the way I show you when you're setting up your account, you just need to put non-stop, okay, with a capital N, and then you can literally set this up, and you'll see what I mean by this color, right? When we click OK, you'll see it's very, very bright, and in my eyes I think it's too bright. I mean, you're actually better off just doing this white, right? So if we go back into the expert advisors properties, change this, remember you just double click with left mouse button. We're going to put this to this one here. Okay, now hit OK. This is a little bit better. That colour's a bit odd, the colour, but this is perfect for now. Okay, we can play around with this, save it, so you've always got a different colour code with it. That's pretty much it. You've got your 5-minute window which you've set up. You've introduced the bot. You just need to make sure you go to tools. Okay, this is the 5th tab with inside your trading platform, which is tools. Go to options, and then you want to go to expert advisors. You want to make sure allow automated trading is ticked, allow DAO inputs is ticked, and allow web request is ticked, and click OK, and that's it. This system is now up and running. So there's a couple of key things that you can use here. If we go over to here, you'll see that the Aggressive Intelligence Scalper, I've basically gone through what you need to do, etc. You can configure the parameters with this. The lot size, always start at 0.01 and set it to £1,000 account balance, or run with a minimum of £1,000 account balance. Your risk percentage, you want 2.5 for aggressive trading and 1.3 for moderate risk. So what this means is if we want to run moderate, 1.3. Okay, if we look at the risk, if we go back here, right mouse click, go over here to expert advice. Just remember, once set the set file up, you don't have to get involved with all this. You can just absolutely just get this system up and running, and then you know, you don't need to do anything. It will do all what you want it to do, basically. Okay, so you can see that this is already set up anyway. So the manual risk input, which is at 0.01, stop loss point, which is set at 200. Do you want to auto risk the management? You can click yes. If you didn't want to do that, you can click on this, but no. Okay, and in some of these you can actually adjust it. So you'll see that the account currency is ZAR, so we're going to change that to USD. And your risk amount of money, which says 100, you can change this as well to whatever you want to risk it at. So you could put, so at the moment it's set $100. We're going to put this to $1,000 because this is what it suggests that we set it up to. And now we're going to hit OK. And now this bot is going to energize or start working on Monday, which is in about over 24 hours time, I would imagine. And then, you know, hopefully we're going to get some fantastic results with this. So that is it in a nutshell. Okay, so the Aggressive Intelligence Scalper, which is from MetaTrader 4, is a sniper EA bot. Okay, it works by precisionally taking trades. You're looking at roughly making between 8 and 9 trades a day. Okay, roughly. Remember, this could fluctuate. News, anything like that can do it. And also it really depends on what your currency you're using, because if you have more of a volatile, then you know you might have more trades. If you have less volatile, then you can have less trades. Okay, but if you stick to the trades, it tells you for a guideline you're roughly going to be getting some stuff like that. So you can see that you've got the stop loss set to 10 to 20, set to 1.5 low is the max spread. Trading hours, if you can enable it, use London to New York trading hours. News filter says here to enable. Trailing stop, you know, so there's lots and lots of stuff you can do here. I quite like trading with USD JPY. It's just one of those things I like to trade with. You know, and then obviously the cheat sheet is what you will be able to get access to if you decide to jump into Darren's Trading Academy, where you're going to be able to obviously not only start to play with this bot, but also you're going to get 54 others that you can play with as well. Plus you're going to get all my concepts, my trading methods, manual trading, auto trading, loads and loads of stuff. Okay, you will not be disappointed and you will not be bored. Okay, there's lots and lots of stuff here to help you. So that's it, that's the end of this video. So this is the Aggressive Intelligence Scalper EA. Look out for this, it will be in Darren's Trading Academy shortly. Thank you.